It's puree week, baby. That's right, so we're going to move from liquids into puree, so the mashed potatoes like you saw last week. I think scrambled eggs are on there. Pretty much kind of almost any food I want to eat. Dump it in the blender, give it a whisk, and that's talking about blenders. Look what came yesterday. I'm going to make a separate video. I'm going to do some like recipe type making videos, but look, I'm so pumped. Look what turned up yesterday. Yeah, boy, check it out, check it out. Oh. Get out of the light. It is an Omniblend blender. Actually, the reflection's annoying. There, that's better. Omniblend. I haven't opened it yet. And I've got books full of recipes come with it. So massive, huge shout outs to Omniblend as well. They're on this journey. They are supporting me on this full weight loss journey. So we're going to use their blenders. Here we go. 2 books full of recipes, desserts, smoothies, shakes, heaps of good stuff. We're going to make a video this week with that mixer, and I'm just going to show you as we travel on through it as well. Today, even though the weather's been so shit, even though the weather's been so bad this whole weekend, we're heading to Brunswick Heads, which is down in New South Wales. Nathan's got his car down there. It's a big car show, so good way to start Sunday. And we're taking Maisie, but hopefully she's allowed there. See how we go. Hey! I didn't say anything. What's in your mouth? Where'd you get that from? Maisie, where'd you get that from? Oh, she's done the runner. So, on the road, heading down to Whoop Whoop. I couldn't bother making a protein shake at home, so I've got to suffer with one of these. It's so hard to find liquids and purees on the road and at service and stuff, because Ash won't make me nothing.
You won't open your blender.
Got it! So Omniblend are on board with me at the moment. They make these amazing blenders. They're on board at the moment with the whole weight loss journey thing. So what I'm going to try to do at least once a week, if not more, depending how excited I get, I'm going to do like recipes and reviews and stuff like that. They're giving me books, information, all that kind of stuff. So keep watching the vlog. Keep watching my journey, not the vlog anymore. Keep watching the journey as we go on with this blender, and also on my links below there will be a link to get this mixer to go straight to it. It's around the $300 mark, and you can afterpay it. And how good is afterpay? So check that out. Now I'm going to get set up. I'm going to do the proper video. I'm halfway through filming, as you can kind of see, the new mixer and all that, and I'm loving it so far. I'm getting it done we've saved, or I've gone through and saved about 4 or 5 different recipes, and they all needed bananas. Off to the shops we go. Then we'll come back, refilm. Well, that's a slight hiccup. All right, turn these studio lights off. We will get back to filming. You guys will see it. The link, by the time this vlog's up, that video should be up and edited already. But hey, why not show you like a dodgy behind the scenes? Nothing ever goes that good. But maybe I might be able to edit that main video enough to make it look legit. All right, so we need bananas, I need honey, and I'm just gonna walk around the shops actually and find other random things I feel like blending and smashing up. Got the bananas, got the honey, maybe some Nutella. Let's go home and make these shakes. Well, now she tells me, now that I'm home, now that I've done the shopping, we had the ingredients all along. Ash just, no, I can't blame her. It's my fault for not looking hard enough. Well, back home now with ingredients. Let's get some shit done.